So today we're doing something extremely exciting that I've been looking forward to since we bought the tickets. When was that?
November.
In November. It is now April. So a very long time. We're off to the London Coffee Festival. Excited?
Yeah.
We're all a bit tired because obviously we didn't have our morning coffee because we thought that might be a bit overkill on our way to a coffee festival. All right, let's do this. We're taking the scenic route today.
Importing the beans from Colombia, and I'm roasting the coffee here in the UK.
So the doors opened like half an hour ago. I've already had like 6 coffees. I'm feeling very good now. I had a lot of food, just having some hot chocolate. I'm loving it. All right, it's competition time. We're getting a series of 4 different coffees each, and we've got to work out what they are.
Oh, this is it. I think that's fruit. Identify.
All right, how'd I do?
Oh man, I think they're beating you right now.
Okay, one sec. All right, competition over. We actually were exactly tied. We got 2 wrong, and they just needed to be swapped. And it was the same 2 you got wrong and needed to be swapped. So,
I just swapped them. Yeah.
oh, so you had it and then swapped it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna sit in the U, guys. There we go. We're not taking a photo. I'm just
right.
filming. We're gonna get somebody else to take a photo for us. Okay.
No coordination.
Dancers can't throw.
No, we learned that.
Okay, so last year we discovered this coffee liqueur, and since then we've bought 3 or 4 bottles of it. It's made in Australia, so you know it's good. We just found the booth again. Here it is. So this year we're trying some nitro coffee. I just found this one called New North. Best one I've had so far, recommended. We passed the coffee, we found the matcha. Of course, these girls love the matcha tea, so we're going to try some of that. New uncharted territory, spreadable coffee. It kind of looks like Vegemite. Okay, we've moved away from the hardcore coffee and we're on the Bailey's latte. It's good. There's just so much coffee around. I've already had quite a lot. Still got a lot more to do. But I think I need a break, so I might find something that's not coffee. Maybe a tea. I think I need food as well. But this has been awesome. A food stop, we need it just to keep going with all this coffee. Really nice chai tea, and it's all bottled, so you just add hot milk. I think Emma's enjoying it, so I might have to look at getting some. Find out where we can get it. full screen.
And we place runners
Never
up
miss
to
any football while you
Benetton
make your coffee.
and have a lovely set afterwards. We were invited here to play.
So we found cactus water for Emma.
I don't want to eat my friends.
We got Arizona, Sicily.
Winner of the company that has the most attention-grabbing name, right here. Well done.
Thanks very much.
Tea Pigs. Now we have to try it and see if it's good. I'm sure it is. Guys, if you can find this tea, it's amazing. It's good, wasn't it? Which one did you have?
Matcha was good.
I had the trim. It's new. What's in the trim?
So it's rosehip, guarana seed, and
Peach.
peach. Well done.
I remembered, see? Check it out, it's really yummy. Another cold brew coffee. Found another Nitro Brew company. So check this one out. It was delicious. So the grapefruit one, it was really quite nice. Not as nice as the, what do we got here? New North. New North was nicer, but that was still not bad. Bit of the old Grumpy Mule coffee. Very cool. Of course, no coffee festival would be complete without trying some whiskey and alcoholic beverages. Monkey Shoulder.
Just the whiskey with sugar, Angus bitters, and a bit of water.
It's like beef jerky. I'm excited. I love this stuff. Another awesome Aussie company. This stuff, I think you want a new water bottle, don't you?
Yeah.
So we'll probably
Glass as well.
yeah, so I'll probably get one when we get back home because they're launching in the UK after this show. So probably by the time this vlog is up, they'll be out there. So I'll throw up the link to the website in the description, guys. So go check them out. Super lightweight, really good, and it's Australian, so you know it's really good. All right, coffee festival over for another year. I'm shaking so much from all the coffee. How was it, guys?
So much fun. Always a good time.
Highlights? Anyone?
Oh, Mr. Black, always.
Of course. Emma, highlights?
Yeah, I was going to say Mr. Black. All the Aussie stuff was really
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, I think Australia was represented today. We know our coffee, and there was some great stuff. I think for me, it's the Nitro stuff. Again, wins out. This New North, it's definitely a highlight for me. I got a can of it, so I'm excited. I'm going to drink that later when I'm tired. Now, I am off to work for the last time in London. I've got a double for today because it's Sunday. Whew, 2 shifts to go, and then I'm finished. And then tomorrow morning, we fly off into the unknown. Nah, we know, we're going to Scotland. Haha, got ya.